Are you the treasurer for a not-for-profit organisation and are not sure where to get the information you need for your monthly treasurer's report? Hi, I'm Angie, the Senior Bookkeeper at Enrich Bookkeeping Solutions. A treasurer's report is an overview of the financial position of a not-for-profit organisation. The treasurer generally reports this to a committee or a board on a monthly basis. There are three main areas that are covered in a treasurer's report: the opening bank balance, any transactions that have happened during the month, and the closing bank balance. It can be a little confusing knowing what reports to run in Xero that will give you this information. I run two reports that gather this information, and they are both found under the Accounting tab in Xero. Firstly, I run a balance sheet. When running a balance sheet, be sure to have the correct ending date to correspond with your report. The balance shown at the bank account on this report will be the closing balance on your treasurer's report. I then change the date to the previous month and rerun that report. This balance will be your opening balance on your treasurer's report. Be sure to cross-check these with your balances on the actual bank statement. The next report I run is the profit and loss statement. A profit and loss statement shows you the income and expenses the organisation has had for the month, and then it is broken down into categories for easy reference. Make sure you change the dates to the month you're reporting and enter these in the income and expense section of the treasurer's report. So, if you were confused and found it time-consuming to do a not-for-profit treasurer's report, just run a balance sheet and a profit and loss statement in Xero, and the job's half done for you. Be sure to catch my next video on how to prepare for a not-for-profit audit.